Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to speed up in Adobe Premiere 2024. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video, and you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And you remember, it's very simple, don't worry. Alright? Do not worry, it's very simple to speed up. What you have to do is right click, and then you have to click on speed duration. Here you have option. You can select, change the exact percentage you want to speed up. You can put here 100, 150. 100 normal speed, 200 change the duration, and you can see here you can also do this. Your 100 is your normal speed, and you can change from here as well. Instead you want you want speed up to 1 minute. You can do this, and as you can see now it's very fast. Now, if you want to open speed duration very fast, click Ctrl+R. This is a good shortcut because saves you time. You don't want to right click and then select speed duration. Saves you more time. Now you can also select time interpolation. Time interpolation, you select frame sampling instead of optical flow. Optical flow, better quality optical flow. Click on OK, and now it's more optical flow. You want optical flow, here we have optical flow. Now, if you want to add text above this optical flow, you can add optical flow. Alright, very simple. Now, let me click delete this. And now let me change optical flow and just optical. Now I can move from here and put this right down below here. So we have optical flow above our video. Alright, so this is what you have to do. Is very simple. So thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Make sure you subscribe. Take care.